Well, there's a horrific murder and the maiming of a Dalit man at the farmhouse of an Akali leader and liquor baron Shivlal Doda that has caused a furor in both houses of parliament today. Mayawati demanding that the centre step in while the Congress alleged a massive cover-up, a charge that the Badal government has strongly denied. It's been 3 days since the Dalit man's arms and legs were hacked off. He bled to death on the way to the hospital. The main accused, the Akali leader, and his nephew are still moving about freely despite being named in the FIR. One person has been arrested. Well, the law and order situation in Punjab becoming the centre of a big storm in Parliament today. We have Sudhanshu Mittal of the BJP, Manjeet Singh GK of the Shiromani Akali Dal, and Bhagwant Mann, Lok Sabha MP of the Aam Aadmi Party, also joining us on this segment tonight. Mr. Singh, let me ask you first, why is the gentleman at whose farmhouse this is alleged to have happened and his nephew, why have they not been arrested? It's been 3 days.
This question, Nidhi, you are putting it to me?
Yeah.
The thing is, Nidhi, that everything which happens in Punjab, if it's a criminal act or it's a bus accident, I think Congress is bent upon making it a political issue. This is a fight between two groups of hoodlums. One was Bhim Singh and Gurjant Singh, and other is Harpreet Singh. They have, the Bhim Singh has 11 cases criminal against him, Gurjant Singh has 3, and the other party, Harpreet Singh Harry, has 5 cases against them. They are dealing into, I think, liquor and other nefarious activities. So this is a gang war going over there, and this thing has happened. Secondly, it has been made a Dalit issue. In both the groups, there are Dalits and there are general caste people in both the groups. So I think Congress is bent upon on making political issues out of any criminal act which happens in any state, especially in Punjab, because they don't have answer for what they are supposed to answer, that what happened in Sarbat Khalsa in Amritsar on 10th, the so-called Sarbat Khalsa, why their senior leaders were on stage.
What about Shivlal Doda, who's the Akali leader in whose farmhouse that this has happened?
Yes,
why is he's named in the FIR and he's still not been arrested? Has he disappeared? Where is he?
Shivlal Doda is not a Akali leader. He fought an election on as an independent, as of an MLA. His name is there in the FIR. Whose name the aggrieved party has taken? All names are there in the FIR. Action has been taken. People are underground. They are being arrested. There are arrests being made, and the FIR carries.
So you're saying he's not an Akali leader?
Section
you're denying any link between him and the Akali Dal. Was he ever a member?
No. He fought an independent election. He was never a Akali candidate.
Okay, let me ask Bhagwant Mann this. Bhagwant Mann, आपने सुना कि अकाली दल कह रही है कि ये जो लीडर हैं वो अकाली दल के लीडर ही नहीं है. आपका क्या जवाब है इस पे?
ये अकाली दल के अबोहर विधानसभा के इंचार्ज हैं और ये लीकर जो ये शराब माफिया जो है ये उसमें इन्वॉल्व है. जो इनके पास शिवलाल डोडा के पास जो शराब के ठेके हैं उनमें 40% विक्रमजीत मजीठिया की भी पार्टनरशिप है. ये उनके फार्म हाउस पे हुआ है, उनकी मौजूदगी में हुआ है. और जो पुलिस है, जो SHO है हरिंदर सिंह चमेली, वो उसके फार्म हाउस पर ही रहता था. इससे पता चलता है कैसे माफिया की गुलाम बन गई है पंजाब पुलिस. पंजाब में लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की कोई कंडीशन जो इतनी खराब हो चुकी है. और मिस्टर मंजीत सिंह कह रहे हैं, मंजीत सिंह सुनिए प्लीज, बोलिए मत, प्लीज सुनिए.
अच्छा आराम से हाँ भगवत मान जी बात करिए.
जो एक्सीडेंट हुआ है, जो लंबी के पास चन्नू गांव में जो एक बस दीप बस है जो कि गिद्दड़बाहा के विधानसभा इंचार्ज हैं अकाली दल के और मुक्तसर के जो जिला प्लानिंग बोर्ड के चेयरमैन है उनकी बस है. उसने एक बच्ची को कुचला. बच्ची के मां बाप और गांव के लोग लाश को, डेड बॉडी को रख के बैठ गए. पुलिस आती है और निहत्थे लोगों पर गोलियां चलाती है, लाठीचार्ज करती है और लाश को छीन कर और घसीट कर लेके जाती है. अब ये अकाली दल लाशों से भी डरने लगा है. जब से मोगा में ऑर्बिट बस ने एक लड़की को मारा लोगों ने सड़क पर लाश रख के आंदोलन किया, उसके बाद ये वर्बली ऑर्डर हो गए हैं पूरी पंजाब पुलिस को कि किसी भी सिलसिले में किसी भी कीमत पर लाश को अपने कब्जे में करो।
मनजीत सिंह जी, क्या आपको नहीं लगता कि जो पुलिस कर्मी इसमें इन्वॉल्व है उनके खिलाफ एक्शन होना चाहिए? मनजीत सिंह
पंजाब में शांत
नहीं, ये जो आपने लड़की का इंसिडेंट
मेरे को लेट मी आंसर भगवंत मान जी ने अपनी बात कह ली। नाउ लेट मी आंसर। आई थिंक दी आम आदमी पार्टी और ये जो कांग्रेस है, इनको विक्रम सिंह मजीठिया का सपना आता है कहीं कुछ हो जाए। विक्रम सिंह मजीठिया जो है वो उसमें इन्वॉल्व है। भगवंत मान जी ने बात करी है एक बस एक्सीडेंट की, दैट ए गर्ल केम अंडर दी। एक मिनट भगवंत मान जी, आप चुप रहे, अब आप प्लीज चुप रहे। भगवंत मान जी, यू हैव सेड योर थिंग, लेट मी कंप्लीट।
ओके मिस्टर सिंह, गो अहेड।
Yes, Nidhi. Bhagwant Man ji has said that there is a bus accident. Okay, yes, it happened. A girl came under the bus. Very unfortunate. Anywhere in this country, accident can happen. That bus can belong to Congress. That bus can belong to Akali leader, to BJP leader. My question to Bhagwant Man ji is that Barjinder Kaur is there, Istri Dal president. Just a moment, I'll come to that also.
क्या हुआ एक्सीडेंट के बाद, क्या हुआ ये बताइए।
बरजिंदर कौर स्त्री दल की प्रेसिडेंट है, भगवंत मान जी आपकी पार्टी की। उसकी कार के नीचे अ बॉय कम्स एंड ही डाइज। वी नेवर डू राजनीति ऑन दीज केसेस। दिस इज अ सिंपल एक्सीडेंट केस। Bhagwant Man ji, why are you don't have any issues to fight with us?
He's talking about the conduct of the police.
With the issues.
Bhagwant Man ji, एक मिनट में Ashwini Kumar is a senior MP from Punjab. Let me ask him. One second.
Yes, I will answer.
One second, one second. I'm going to turn the mics down. I'm going to get everybody in. Sudhanshu Mittal, Ashwini Kumar and Tavleen, and I'll come back to the two of you. You raised a point today in Parliament about a general law and order problem in Punjab. Can you base that on two incidents in the last 1 week?
Let me give you statistics. Since 2012, there has been a 72.3% rise in cases of violence and atrocities, particularly against Dalits. Can anyone deny that such a horrific incident where the legs and the arms of a Dalit boy were amputated and he died while being shifted to Amritsar, he himself is now being accused of an alleged rape. The SHO who is supposed to be taking action is a person who stays in the house of the accused. The person who is named in the FIR has not been arrested. And then there is a case of Gidarba. A young girl is killed by a bus. I accept that it's a case of an accident, but always it is in Moga, it is Orbit. In Gidarba, again the bus belongs to an Akali Dal leader. The issue is the administration taking action against those in power? That is the issue. There is a general feeling that Punjab is now completely hostess to a kind of breakdown of law and order never witnessed in its history. And this has sent shock throughout the country. It is no longer a Punjab-centric issue. The kind of torture that a person has been subjected to, the kind of criminality and depravity that marks the murder in this gruesome manner of a Dalit boy is something that must shock national conscience.
Sudhanshu Mittal, is the BJP sufficiently shocked as an ally and as the government at the centre by what's happening in Punjab then?
See, I am shocked at the way these incidents are being cited as the reason for a breakdown of the law and order situation in Punjab. Ashwini ji is such a seasoned former minister. Ashwini ji, every 4 minutes in this country, there's one person killed in an accident. 1,000 cases, more than 1,000 cases of death through accidents in Delhi itself, when your government was in power here in Delhi. Are you going to say that this is a breakdown of the law and order situation in the capital or anywhere else in the state? Let's not make mountain out of a mole. Let me tell you one thing about this so-called gruesome murder. A murder is a murder is a murder and it's a murder. Irrespective of who commits it, law must punish whoever takes law in his own hands. Now here is a case where an accused has already been named in the FIR and efforts are being made to arrest the individual. If the case was that this has happened in the knowledge or in connivance of this man, but yet he has not been named in the FIR, no, he's not going to be arrested, then I could understand. All responsible quarters have made an announcement, unequivocal announcement, that people named in FIR will be arrested. Now, after that, does this tantamount to break down of the law and order situation?
For 3 days. For
Just
3
one-
days.
Just
He's not
one
an
last
unknown
comment.
person.
One last comment, sir, just one comment. See, what is happening is that because Congress is bereft of issues, you have Rahul Gandhi talking about being stopped in Assam in a temple, which itself is a lie because the head priest of the temple says he never came for 4 hours, I waited. His own ex-chief minister was there who also testified that they waited for 4 hours. Rahul Gandhi did not turn up. You had Shailja ji saying, I was stopped in Dwarka. See, what has happened is, for stalling the business of parliament, all kind of flimsy issues are being cooked up because they are bereft of any serious issues. So all kind of flimsy issues, the real intent is...
Ashwini Kumar wants to come in and then I want to go to Tavleen.
Sudhanshu ji,
because of the National Herald case, they cannot overtly say judiciary should be pressurized. So what they are doing is covertly...
But shouldn't you be worried about what's happened in Punjab?
It's a fraud of the people of...
Sudhanshu ji, please hear now.
It is a fraud of the people of India.
Sudhanshu ji, please don't monopolize the time of the NDTV. Let me answer you. You talked of Shailja. Please remember that your leaders had to apologize for what they had said.
Where?
Number one. 1 minute. I didn't interrupt.
Where, sir?
I didn't interrupt you. I did not.
No, you
interrupt
can't go with this.
I did
You
not.
tell me who apologized and where.
I did not.
Sir, Ashwini ji, on the national channel you cannot lie.
I did not
Okay, one second. Please finish your point, then I'll come to Tavleen.
I
Yes.
did not interrupt you. The second
Sir, you
point
did.
is
You
the
continuously
issue in Punjab is, where is the law and order machinery? Who is enforcing the law? Who is taking action on FIR? Last 3 days, a local leader is absconding and the police can't apprehend him. You mean to tell us that the people of Punjab are going to believe that story, or for that matter anyone will? The fact is that this is a liquor mafia involved with the patronage of the government, and this supporter of the Akali Dal is allowed to go scot-free, roaming wherever he is in the country.
Let me get Tavleen's assessment of this. Tavleen says, you know the state, what's going on in Punjab. Do you really believe also that there is a breakdown of law and order? What's going on in your assessment?
Well, let's not go that far, but I was in Punjab recently, and I have to say that I have no proof that this Doda is connected to Majitia, but everybody believes that he is. And there is very few people in Punjab who do not agree that there is liquor and drugs being run by the Akali government. And Sudhanshu Mittal ji, if the BJP wants any chance in Punjab next time, you better ditch your ally. Because from what I heard when I was in Punjab, the Akali Dal is really considered like a kind of almost a criminal enterprise at the moment.
That's a pretty scathing comment from you. And do you so do you believe that there has been a deliberate inaction even in these incidents over the last 3 days, Tavleen? Because of
this? You know what I heard, I have no...
One second, please let Tavleen answer. Please let Tavleen answer. Thank you. Yes, Tavleen.
I'm just telling you that what I picked up from wandering about in the Amritsar area was not good. There was a very poor impression of the Akali Dal and many allegations that there were Akali leaders running drugs and liquor, and that there were criminal gangs involved with allegiance to the Akali Dal.
Pretty strong comments, Mr. Manjeet Singh.
Nidhi, can I respond?
Mr. Mittal, I'll come to you. I'll come to you, Mr. Mittal. Give me a second. Let me ask the Akali Dal to respond first.
No, the thing is that we cannot run this debate. We cannot run this debate on perceptions. We should talk facts. They are saying that Akali Dal is involved in drug mafia and everything. They put all these kind of allegations in 2012 also. The results have shown. Now, Nidhi, you have said that open-ended FIR has been made. There are 11 names. 11 names in the FIR.
I didn't say open-ended. I said there were names in it.
How can... No, there are names, and these people whose names are there, they will be arrested. Law will take its course. The Chief Minister of the state has very clearly said, whosoever is involved will not be gone scot-free, and he will be booked and he will be arrested, and case whatever the dafa is 302, 307, 326,
what about the police in the other incident?
149 IPC.
Is the government going to act against the police,
yes,
who dragged that girl's body?
Yes, 100%.
Why hasn't it happened by now?
Yes, 100%. Those people are involved. Those people who are involved, they will be taken to task. And a departmental inquiry has been ordered into this case. And whosoever is involved will be booked under it. So it is very easy to sit on a channel and whatever they want to take name, they will say that Majithia Sahab is involved, Badal Sahab is involved. But where are the proofs? I think we should not run this debate on media. They should have facts of what they are saying.
भगवत मान मंजीत सिंह जी कह रहे हैं कि दिस इज नॉट, ये डिबेट परसेप्शन पे नहीं जाना चाहिए, इन अ सेंस गॉसिप पे नहीं जाना चाहिए जो लोग सुनते हैं. इट शुड बी बेस्ड ऑन फैक्ट. ठीक है, आप फैक्ट्स बताइए फिर.
देखिए ये तो 2017 में निधि जी लोग बता देंगे, लेकिन जो ये कह रहे हैं ना कि हर 4 मिनट के बाद एक एक्सीडेंट होता है, हम सिर्फ एक्सीडेंट की बात नहीं कर रहे. कल हम उसके घर पे गए थे, उस लड़की के जिसकी डेथ हो गई थी बस एक्सीडेंट में. उसके घर वाले ये कह रहे थे कि हमें मौत की उतना दुख मौत का नहीं है जितना मौत के बाद हमारी बेटी की डेड बॉडी को घसीटा गया, उसकी मिट्टी को जैसे मिट्टी को रोला गया. तो मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं, अभी रिसेंटली बहबल कला में गुरु ग्रंथ साहब जी की बेअदबी के खिलाफ जो रोष व्यक्त कर रही थी संगत, उन पर गोली चलाई गई. गोली चलाएगी तो संगत ने लोगों ने
जहां पे आप शराब पी के स्टेज पे चले गए थे मिस्टर भगवंत मान जी, जहां पे आप शराब पी के गुरु ग्रंथ साहब के आगे चले गए थे. भगवंत मान जी आप जवाब देना. गुरु ग्रंथ साहब की बेदबी का
प्लीज
ओके लेट हिम फिनिश.
देखो आप शराब पी के चले गए थे.
पार्लियामेंट में ये मुद्दा उठाया है, मैंने पार्लियामेंट में मुद्दा उठाया है कि पंजाब पुलिस ने, शायद देश में पहली एफआईआर होगी, पंजाब पुलिस ने अनआइडेंटिफाइड पुलिसमैन पर पर्चा दर्ज किया. अनआइडेंटिफाइड पुलिसमैन, कुड यू बिलीव दैट? कि पुलिस भी अज्ञात हो सकती है. क्या ये नहीं पता कि कौन पुलिस वाले थे और गोली चला गए? तो ये तो हालत है पंजाब की. पंजाब में ब्यूरोक्रेसी, सरकार, किसी का कंट्रोल नहीं है, माफिया में चल रहा है. आप पुलिस कैसे एक्शन लेगी अगर पुलिस का एसएचओ उस आदमी के घर पर ही रहता है, उसके फार्म हाउस पर ही रहता है? हरिंदर सिंह चमेली नाम है उसका, पता कीजिए आप. ये कैसी बात है?
सुधांशु मित्तल, ठीक है सुधांशु जी, ये जो तवलीन सिंह ने आपको एडवाइस दी है, तो आप क्या सुनेंगे उनकी एडवाइस अगर आपको पंजाब जीतना है?
I would request Tavleen Singh ji, I would have appreciated if Tavleen Singh ji would have not talked about perceptions and talked about the law and order situation specific to what is being mentioned and what is being stated by the Congress. As far as her advice is concerned, I think let us do our political assessment ourselves. As far as Ashwani Kumar ji is concerned, Ashwani ji, I had never expected that you will make a statement like BJP walas had to apologize. You should have named somebody, you should have been specific about it. You are not expected to do all this. I mean, I can expect it from somebody else who just wants to score brownie points. And lastly, when it is an issue like breakdown of a law and order situation in a state like Punjab, I think let's be more substantial in our allegations and not a case of a death of a child because of a car, of a bus accident or a murder in Punjab. That does not tantamount to the breakdown of law and order situation in a state. Please, and that also does not tantamount to a sufficient reason why Parliament should not be functioning because of the
Ashwani Kumar, Ashwani Kumar.
Let's not.
Sudhanshu ji, since you
after the accident, what happened? What happened after the accident? Just tell me what happened after the accident.
Bhagwan Man has a point. It's what happened after the accident, not the accident itself.
Sudhanshu ji, since you mentioned that you did not expect me to say something, I must tell you, एक मिनट मेरे को बात करने दीजिए, मुझे बात करने दीजिए.
हाँ ठीक है.
You mentioned that I should not have made the statement and it was not expected of me. Unfortunately, and I would want you to be in Parliament, unfortunately you are not in the Rajya Sabha. I am there. I know that Piyush Goyal apologized. I know that your leader of the House, Mr. Arun Jaitley, facilitated the apology, and that is why the House ran. So much for your facts. So please don't quibble. Please don't quibble with me on my facts. I don't get my facts wrong. Okay, now the other issue about the accident, the other issue about the accident that you made, the other issue about the accident, the other issue about the accident that you made, the point is that a dead girl's body was dragged and the police is still twiddling its thumbs.
Sir,
that's the issue.
Misconduct of some policemen does not tantamount to a breakdown of the law and order situation in Punjab.
I have made my case, and I think you know what I'm trying to say.
I think your case rests on a political statement and not on basis of facts.
One second. Davleen, do you really believe that the Akali government can't find this guy who's a well-known liquor contractor and whose farmhouse this happened for 3 days? Because Manjeet Singh says that he's confident that they're going to act against people in the FIR. For 3 days they can't find this guy? Really?
No, that's nonsense and it's wrong. But to speak of a breakdown of... Can I speak?
1 second, let her speak, yeah.
Yeah. When you talk about a breakdown of law and order, that is rubbish, okay? I mean, I've seen that state when there was a breakdown of law and order, when there was terrorists, when you couldn't go out in the evenings, okay? Nothing like that has happened in Punjab. And in any case, where Congress is concerned, they're going to block Parliament no matter what. They will find an incident a day because they are determined to make sure that Parliament doesn't function. And that is the way it is.
All right. Well, let me just get last words from you, Mr. Manjeet Singh, and then from Bhagwant Mann. Mr. Manjeet Singh.
Yeah. The thing is that an accident or whatever happened in that Doda's farmhouse, Punjab police or the Punjab government is determined to take action. Whosoever is involved will be brought to the books of law and he will be punished accordingly. So every incident which happened in Punjab does not have links with the Akali Dal or with Mr. Majeethia or with Mr. Badal. I think we should only focus on the particular instance and see that what action has been taken. Action has been taken, FIR is there, people have been named in it, and the section which are put, they are not going to go scot-free. We will take action.
You're denying any Akali link, but Bhagwat Mann, you're standing by your accusation that there is an Akali link, that Doda has an Akali link.
Everyone knows
Yes.
Ashwini Kumar says everyone knows that.
Everyone in Punjab
he fought an MLA election.
बहुत खराब है और पंजाब में पंजाब पुलिस जो है अकाली नेताओं की गुलाम बन चुकी है और पंजाब में पंजाब सरकार हर बात को या तो सेंटर पर जिम्मेदारी देती है या ISI पर देती है पंजाब के लोगों को किस्मत पर छोड़ दिया गया है पंजाब की स्थिति बहुत खराब
have accused your own leader and you want us to believe that. I mean, a man who does not know what he talks in his own drunkard state. We have all seen your videos. We have all seen what you've been doing. Now you want us to believe what you are saying is gospel truth. Give me a break. I mean, let's have credibility. You and your leaders have specialized today also. Your Arvind Kejriwal says this child died because of demolition. When the report comes, it transpires that the child had died at 10 o'clock and the demolition took place at 12 o'clock.
Okay,
you and your party.
751 पता नहीं कौन कौन से झूठे पर्चे जो पंजाब पुलिस सत्ताधारी नेताओं के दबाव में कर रही है.
All right. Thank you very much to all of you for joining us. I think what has happened in the last few days in Punjab is certainly a cause for concern, and we can only hope that we can hold the Akali Dal up to its words and its promise that those named in the FIR will be arrested soon. Thank you very much to all of you for joining us. We'll be back tomorrow. See you then.